All right, guys, it's Kevin from Big Break Sports Cards. It is Thursday, March 31st, 2016, 9:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doing a personal dual break for Tom. You got 14 Playbook and 14 totally certified. Tom, which one do you want to start with first, my friend? I'm going to open them both up. I'll get the packs out for you. Which one would you like to start with first? Playbook? All right. Playbook first. So that's right here. Here we go. Good luck. All right, let's get a little business card so we can see what this acetate autograph is. First, you got Josh Huff, 57 out of 99. Josh Huff, oh, there you go. 57 out of 99, Josh Huff, rookie autograph from Philadelphia. Let me get this out of the way. And, actually, nice patches in there. Got Taj Boyd, rookie dual patch on the right, two color, jersey on the left, autographed booklet. Shorter print, 44 out of 99. Okay, some focus, maybe? No. All right, 44 to 99. Taj Boyd, autograph, dual relic with a nice patch on the right. That was Playbook. And then we got totally certified. I'm telling you, man, this case of totally certified, every single box we've hit some, like a high-end rookie so far. So let's see if we can't keep that streak running. I still got like 8 boxes left, too, out of this case. So I'm not trying to get your hopes up. I'm just saying we pulled some heat. We pulled the first one. My buddy came over. He opened one up. He got Mike Evans rookie patch auto number 15 with a pirate patch in it. We've hit Teddy Bridgewater rookie patch auto. Hit a Clowney rookie patch auto. What else? I want to say Kelvin maybe. We hit some serious freaking monsters. All right, Jake Locker, Antonio Brown, Chris Johnson, David Fales. First hit, nice vet patch, red, Dez Bryant, certified fabrics. There you go. And it's numbered to 50. That is 23 out of 50. Nice Dez Bryant patch. Jersey piece. All right. Next, we've got Zach Stacy, Drew Brees, gold, Ryan Tannehill. That's 17 out of 25. Number 2, his jersey. So, if that means anything, number 2 is jersey. Tannehill out of 25. Gold, and Michael Campanaro. And autograph rookie patch, Saw Watson. And I don't see any numbering. Is that on the front? Nope. Saw Watson autograph rookie patch. And we got Chad Henne, Reggie Bush, and Dez Bryant, and HaHa Clinton Dix. And we got certified fabrics, Danny Woodhead, jersey relic. And there's no numbering on that. So Woodhead jersey piece, and feels kind of thick. Is it going to be another patch auto? That'd be kind of cool. Get 2 patch autos. Yeah, Randall Cobb, Andy Dalton, Jericho Cotry, Isaiah Crowell, and autograph Marcus Smith. So Marcus Smith autograph rookie card from the Eagles. And that's a break, Tom. Thank you so much. If you want to crack anything else, let me know. I'll have this up to YouTube later tonight. Thank you again.